Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my Jamaican peppered shrimp. These are the king prawns that I will be using today, but you can use any prawns of your choice, but I choose to use this one. Here are my seasoning that I will be using. I'll be using some chopped garlic, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is 1.5, but you can choose the amount you want and how hot you want it. I'll be using chopped onions, and I'll be using spring onions, otherwise called scallion. I'll be using my Maggi fish seasoning, my ground black pepper, my Maggi for shrimp, my Old Bay seasoning, and this is very good for seafood, chicken, vegetable, any type of meat you want, but it's very good on seafood. I'll be using a bit of coloring, because you will see why I'm using the coloring, because when we do the Jamaican shrimp, prawn, whichever, we use this for a bit of color. Just a tiny bit of lemon juice that I will be using also. I'll be using my Maggi all-purpose, of course. As you know, this is one of my favorite. Some paprika, a bit of garlic powder, and my cooking oil. I'll show you the step-by-step process. Now I'm going to be taking my prawns over to this side. I'll be cutting off my strings, and I'll be washing it with my vinegar or lemon juice. Now I'm adding half of my Maggi shrimp seasoning. I'm also gonna add some of my Old Bay seasoning, about 1 tablespoon. Yep, that's about 1 tablespoon, guys. I'm now gonna add some fish seasoning, about ½ tablespoon, because I don't need a lot as it's salt. I'm also gonna add some black pepper, about ½ tablespoon as well. I'm now adding my Maggi all-purpose, of course. That's about ½ tablespoon I'm adding now. I'm adding ½ tablespoon of garlic powder as well. I'm also gonna add a bit of paprika, about ½ tablespoon. I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice, about 1 tablespoonful. I'm now adding my ground seasoning, which is my garlic, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, spring onions, otherwise called scallion. I'm just gonna add them all in. There I am adding them all in. Now I'm just gonna rub everything in. There I am rubbing everything in now, guys. You want to rub it in and make sure everything is blending properly. Make sure it's all mixed in. Then I'm just gonna leave it to marinate for 1 hour. Then I'll come back to it. I'm gonna leave it now to marinate. So there I am adding some vegetable oil to my mixture. as I forgot to mention it earlier. So I'm just gonna mix that in, and as I said earlier, I'm gonna leave it to marinate. So guys, I've got the fire on medium heat. I'm just gonna add my cooking oil. It's only a small amount, guys. I don't need a lot, just a tiny amount of oil. I'm just gonna wait for this to hot, and then I'll show you what I will be doing. So now that my oil is all hot, I'm just gonna pour my prawns in. I've marinated the prawns for 1 hour, so I'm just gonna pour them in now. I'm pouring in everything. Now remember, the fire is on medium heat. You don't want it too high. So this is what it looks like in the pot. And here they are, changing color. Prawns change color to pink when it's cooking, so they're gonna change color. I'm just gonna turn them over, and as you know, prawns don't take long to cook. This prawn will cook within 8 to 10 minutes, but I'll show you the process, how I do it. So here I am turning them now. So guys, I'm just adding my coloring now. This is the amount I'm gonna be using. I'm adding it to the same bowl that I used before. It's just coloring. I'm just gonna mix it around, and I will throw it in, as we want it to have some color. So my color is all mixed, so I'm adding it in now over my shrimp. There I am adding my color. As you know, the Jamaican shrimp, we always have it colored, so that's why I've decided to do it the real Jamaican way. So there's the color all in. So I'm just gonna leave it for now and come back and show you what it looks like. So here it is, guys. It's been cooking now for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna switch it off, and then I'll put it on a plate.